Do you feel that Shah Rukh Khan starrer Jab Tak Hai Jaan will break the domestic box office record of Amir Khan's Three Idiots? Do let us know.
तेरे झूठे कस्मे वादों से, तेरे जलते सुलगते ख्वाबों से, तेरी बेरहम दुआओं से नफरत करूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.
Moving over to your favorite show, Bollywood this week. Catch the most happening events in this segment of Parties and Events. The entire Bollywood fraternity came out in full force at the premiere of Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
I'm extremely thrilled because that's how SG would have wanted us to be. Be very happy at the release of his film. Of course, the fact that he's not here will be sorely missed, emotionally missed. But having said that, SG would have wanted nothing else but to be able to have this kind of happiness.
And I'm just hoping that the whole evening is something to remember and that it comes off exactly as what Yash would have wanted.
ये एक बहुत ही ख़ास दिन है हम सब के लिए. यश जी की आखिरी फिल्म हम देखने जा रहे हैं और हम सब बड़ी बेसब्री से इस फिल्म का इंतज़ार कर रहे थे.
I don't think there has been a premiere like this ever. I mean, the way the cinema has been done, the love at which the family has come together to do this as an ode and honor, a celebration to the greatest living legend of Hindi cinema.
Amir Khan talked about Microsoft Windows 8 and his film Talash at an event in Mumbai.
Well, actually my last release was Dhobi Ghat, which was 2 years ago. And,
with your missus as the boss.
With my missus as the boss. But I'm glad that this film is ready for release, and it's a film that all of us are very excited about. The entire team, Reema and Kareena Arani, myself, all of us are really excited about it. Farhan, अब इंतज़ार है कि आप लोगों को कैसी लगती है film. We are really happy to tie up with Microsoft, and I have no doubt that their new product will be excellent like all their other stuff, Windows 8. I'm hoping that Talash also turns out well. I don't know. Let's see if you'll like the film. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Shah Rukh Khan, Katrina Kaif and Anushka Sharma promoted Jab Tak Hai Jaan on the sets of Saregama 2012.
अपना हाथ मुझे दीजिए.
ये लीजिए.
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियाँ, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयाँ नहीं भूलूंगी मैं जब तक है जान.
इसको तो घर ही ले जाऊंगा.
सारेगामा पे आना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हमें बहुत कम चांस मिलता है ऐसे टू बी एबल टू सी दिस टैलेंट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे बिल्कुल गाना नहीं आता है, तो मैं बहुत ख़राब गाता हूँ. अगर मुझे गाना आता होता तो मैं किंग ऑफ रोमांस बन जाता, लेकिन मुझे गाना नहीं आता है. अरे यार, आप लोग को मालूम नहीं मैं कितना अच्छा करता हूँ. अगर मुझे गाना, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है यार. ये तो मतलब 4/10 है. अगर मुझे गाना आता होता ना तो बट मैं इनके लिए गा सकता हूँ. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में आता है कि जैसे तुझको तू अब से पहले अल्लाह, तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं. तुझे जमीन पे टांग टांग, तुझे जमीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए. तुझे जमीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए.
Ranbir Kapoor and Ileana D'Cruz released the DVD of their film Barfi.
We are here for the DVD release of Barfi, a very special film to us. It's coming out the week of Diwali, and since we know it's a very health-conscious country we live in, so instead of giving them Barfi sweets, buy a DVD of Barfi from the Reliance store, and I think it'll be a great Diwali gift. So thank you so much for being here.
I can't wait. I mean, most of my friends are so excited that the DVD is finally out, so I'm really glad that it's finally out, and I hope people are going to go out and buy it and enjoy it.
There are rumors that you're going to get married to Vidya Balan in
Is this related to the Barfi DVD release?
But we want to know from you.
You know, ये फिल्म का एक सिंपल फिलॉसफी था और मैं एज एन एक्टर एक इंसान के नाते मैं बहुत कुछ सीखा हूँ कि अगर आप सिनेमा के जरिए इफ़ यू सेल अ स्माइल, there's nothing greater than that.
Over to your favorite Itsy Bitsy interviews. Shah Rukh Khan talks about Anushka Sharma.
Anushka Sharma, रब ने बना दी जोड़ी and जब तक है जान. What do you think is the evolution for her as an actress and as a person?
Nothing at all. You know, she was riding a motorbike then and she's riding a motorbike now. Nothing at all. I've evolved. You know, I've grown a beard. I just had a mustache then. And I've got another babe with me. So she's wonderful.
Check out what Sajid Khan has to say about critics.
Critics basically are just speed breakers for the audience's entertainment. That's a superb line. Let me repeat it once again. Critics are basically speed breakers for the audience trying to have a great drive. It's not a bad line, huh?
Great.
If it gets used anyway, I said it.
He has the copyright.
Tabu talks about the life of P director Ang Lee.
I wish he sees all of my Hindi movies. I want to sit and show him all my movies one day and show him what I have done. It'll be good. It'll be fun. Everything, like everything, you know. From BV number 1 till Vijay Path and Silent Chale Sasural, definitely. So it'll be interesting.
It's goodbye time, folks, but we leave you with our latest segment, the top 5 tweets of the week. Take a look. Bollywood Hungama News Network.